Welcome back, everyone. We have an update from Helo Corp, which trades on the OTC under the symbol HLOC and is a technology company leveraging biodata, artificial intelligence, and precision nutrition to drive human wellness transformation. Please welcome its CEO and CFO, Sean McVeigh. Nice to see you, Sean.
Nice to see you too, Anna. Thank you for the introduction. And today it's going to be a very short presentation and with some, I hope, exciting news. So as you can see, great, thank you very much. As you can see, we are the health and lifestyle optimization company. We're providing this for everyone. And we're working on our branding at the moment. So you see a new logo and you can see the health and lifestyle optimization for Helo. We have a disclaimer here because I'll be making some forward-looking statements, but all standard stuff. So the first piece of information I want to give you is an update on Helo's investigational studies, which started this year. We've had very strong participant response. People are committing to 6 months of biostrip testing once a week. And what's interesting is I'd say almost all of our NAP participants show suboptimal levels of vitamin and minerals in at least one parameter. And half of the participants show suboptimal levels in at least 4 parameters. And here's an example of a wellness score. The score is out of 5, so 3.8 out of 5. And as you can see in this example, the calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, and sodium are suboptimal. So that's what we're beginning to find. It's very early days yet, but we're using this data to train our AI engine and build the knowledge domain. Now, how we are growing our community of people who are interested in Nutrilife and the Nutramatic itself and using AI-driven supplement selection. We're doing that through influencers. And here is a prize giving that we had last week in Singapore. As you can see, our focus is Asia, and we have Ho-Ling Wu as who took first prize for building the promotion, and then we had 3 runners-up. What was interesting was this was a gala dinner, and all of the participants were very enthusiastic about participating, and were very happy to contribute their data. So, from our perspective, we're looking forward to their continued participation because this is key in developing our, as I say, our knowledge engine and training our AI. The second bit of information is, the third bit of information is in Taiwan, when we launched, we had 2 beta Nutramatics. And here you can see we're actually now beginning pre-mass production. So these ones you see here are going to be used for beta testing, and also we'll ship them to the regulators to make sure that we are in compliance with the various requirements in various jurisdictions. So these are now starting to ship over the next couple of days, and this should keep us on target for our June launch in Asia. And this is what the end product will look like. This is a Helo Nutramatic, and as you can see, we're about delivering vitality, energy, and performance. All of this is achieved by selecting the right supplement combination for the user, which is based on their personalized daily data from a wearable device, from the biostrip tests, and that is used to select the optimal supplement combination for them. So that's it all in a nutshell. So we're on target and we're moving forward, and the progress is fantastic.
Great job, Sean. Are you ready for some questions?
Yeah, I look forward to some questions. Yes, indeed. Thank you.
All right, so talk a little bit about what is the Nutramatic rollout plan and when do you expect to launch in the United States?
So what we've done is we've set up what we called our NAP investigational study. And we have 1,000 people in NAP 1. They need to complete 6 months of testing. They should be finished by June. And at that stage, we will ship Nutramatics to everybody who wants a Nutramatic who is in NAP 1. That's in June. In July, the NAP 2 participants get it. In August, the NAP 3 participants get it. And in September, everybody in Asia who didn't complete a NAP on time can order their Nutramatic. And then in October, we're scheduling a launch in the US to be ready for Thanksgiving.
Great. And to use the Nutramatic, does one have to use a Helo wearable device with it?
Yeah, that's a good question. And I would love, so the answer, of course, is yes. It would be fantastic, super if they do. However, we recognize that in the world, some people wear other devices. And it's important for us to integrate to enable Apple Watch wearers, Garmin watch wearers, Fitbit, anybody else, to be able to contribute their data to our AI engine so that Nutramatic can give them their personalized, customized supplements. So the answer is users can use all top-tier wearable devices.
All top-tier wearable devices, but you have to have a device in order to receive the benefits.
Well, we need data input. The richer the data input, the more valuable the analysis we can do and the greater the optimization of the supplement selection. So for example, if you don't sleep well last night, we don't know that. But if you have a wearable device on, it can be a ring, it can be a wearable device, any device, that will detect that you didn't sleep well. So in the morning when you come to your Nutramatic, it will recognize that and it will give you an energy booster, for example, in your standard supplement combination. And then in the evening, it may call you back to say, you must be tired at this stage. We see your energy levels are low. Here's a special mix to help you have a tranquil night's sleep.
Well, makes sense. Talk about how Helo is attracting customers today.
So I mentioned the event in Singapore where we have these influencers. So the entity there is an entity called VGen, and they are building influencer groups who will promote the product worldwide. At the moment, it's starting in Asia, and hopefully these influencers will move and build in Europe and also in the US. So this is what we expect to happen over time. So they're one of our affiliates, and we have another affiliate in Persona. And what they do is take the data that we have and they mine that data and reward their users. So this is a different cohort of people who get rewarded for contributing their data.
And Keith Terry has a follow-up question about your customer retention. What does it look like? How many are on repeat?
Well, for BioStrip, it's early days. Everybody who's signed up for NAP 1, they're still contributing. They're still doing their tests. So we've got another 5 months to go for NAP 1. So as I say, it's early days. And we have relatively little data. However, if we do a look back to our BioSense device, which is our wearable device, this one here, I don't know if you can see that, we have surprisingly strong retention. The churn is less than 6%, which is unusually high, as in people like the product and they're sticking with it.
And last question due to time from Sarah Curtis. Does Apple Vision goggles the recent release, have any significance for you? Are there any synergies with their AI technology? And if not, are there synergies with other AI technologies of any majors out there?
We haven't done sufficient analysis on the Apple latest release. But we will obviously do our homework. We're also looking at some other technologies that use AI in a very interesting way, and perhaps in another month or so we will have a news release on that particular topic. So the answer is yes, but I'm not at liberty to disclose it today.
Well, Sean, thank you. Congratulations on this progress you've made. We've really enjoyed this update. Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you. We're very excited about it, and look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Be well. Okay, everyone, stay with us. We'll be right back.